If equipped, Adaptive Cruise Control brings useful, adaptive features to the standard speed control system, which maintains a selected speed in continuous flowing highway traffic. With Adaptive Cruise Control, or ACC, you can also maintain a set distance between you and the driver in front of you. ACC uses a radar sensor behind the front bumper and a camera in the upper center of the windshield to detect vehicles ahead of you. This feature is not designed for use in heavy traffic. To activate ACC, push the on-off button on your steering wheel. An indicator light in your instrument cluster will let you know the system is active. First, accelerate to the speed you want to maintain. Then push and release the set switch up or down to set the speed. Take your foot off the accelerator and the vehicle will cruise at the speed you've selected. To adjust your set speed in 1 mile per hour or 1 kilometer per hour increments, simply tap the set switch up or down. Or push and hold the set switch and the set speed will increase or decrease in 5 mile per hour or 10 kilometer per hour increments. To disengage the speed control, simply tap the brake pedal. This will not erase your set speed memory. To resume set speed, accelerate to a speed close to the set speed, then push and release the res or resume button. If you do want to erase the set speed memory, push the on-off button or turn the engine off. Now let's look at the adaptive part of Adaptive Cruise Control. When set distance is engaged, you'll see the set distance icon in your instrument cluster. The system defaults to the maximum distance setting. Each time you push the distance button, the distance setting will decrease until it cycles back to the maximum setting. The last used distance setting will be stored when the system is turned off and recalled when it's turned back on again. If the system detects a slower vehicle ahead, the vehicle icon will change from gray to white. The system will override your set speed and maintain a set distance between you and the driver in front of you without having to constantly reset your speed. To deactivate ACC, push the ACC on-off button again. It's best to leave the system off when not in use. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.